We are tarped once again. Mother Nature has got something in store for us this evening, obviously. Again, more wind, rain, possibly hail. They said there might even be some twisty wind, tornadoes. Let's see how it goes. Update for some of you on the cucumber transplants. They seem to be doing well down their buckets. Should get the trellises going here in the next day or two. Lettuce, no signs of bolting yet, but probably getting close. Tomatoes are doing tomato things. Lots of blooms. Lots of blooms, see what happens. But the cool thing today is my purple hulls came up and all 5 of my black-eyed pea seeds came up as well. So let's see what happens. As you can tell, I've only got most of the produce prison covered. I've got to move everything here over into the middle so we make sure we don't damage anything or lose anything. So we'll see how it goes. Check in tomorrow and let you know if we have any losses or not. Cranky out.